Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are good. So today in this video we're gonna install AI doctor script in our FiveM server. So basically this is set up to work when there is no doctor in the city, so player can use simply a command to revive themselves. So we're gonna install this script, and if you found this script helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video to your FiveM server friends. So I will mention the link in the description box, so you have to just go there, and from here we have to simply just download this script right here. After downloading, we need to simply just open it, and this script works with both the framework ESX and QB so you can easily use it with both of these. So we have to use the QB one, so drag it out and delete this folder, and now we can simply just rename it as well. Copy the script name and go to its config file. So right here you will get to see the minimum count of EMS, like the doctors in the city, to make it work. So when there is no doctor in the city, this script works, and if you set it to like 1 or 2 EMS workers in the city, this script won't work at that time. So you can configure it right here, and this is the price, so you can also configure it according to your server needs. So let's see how it works. So first let me just do refresh, ensure, and the script name. So our script is started right now, so it's time to test it. So let me just kill myself. Okay, we kill ourselves, and now it's time to test this script. So let's use /help, and as you can see an ambulance is spawned right there, and now it come to us, and let's see what's gonna happen. And $2,000 is charged for this. So let's see it coming to us search, and the doctor come out of the vehicle, and now it gonna revive us right here. Let's go. The doctor is giving you medical aid. So we are almost done, and as you can see we got revived, and we charged, like on the right side you can see your treatment is done, you are charged $2,000. So this is how this script work, and like everywhere you can use it except the buildings and like that type of places on the road and beachside area. Everywhere you can use it easily. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you like it, please make sure to subscribe. Till then, we will meet you in the next video. Take care, have a good day, love you all.